Hello, friend. If you're one of my students, hi, how are you? And if you're some random stranger, same to you. So, this is a tutorial on Weebly basics. So I'm going to talk about how to change your website title, how to add text, and how to adjust your header. So, let's start with changing your website title. Now, with this theme, the title is up in this corner here. If I click on this text, I can edit it. It doesn't look like it, but my cursor is there, so I'm going to change this to, he says blog, and then I just clicked somewhere else. That simple. This theme comes with a lot of junk. So I could go in and delete all of this stuff individually, but what I'm going to do instead is click in this gray space and click delete. And it says everything inside this section will be deleted, and that's from this blue line below. Okay, it's not going to delete my header. And it's gone. And one more time, I think this is the last section. I'm going to click in this empty space, not on the spacer, over here. Delete everything in this section. Alright, so now I want to adjust my header here. I'm not able to select this text and change it, so I'm going to change the actual layout itself so I can put my own text in there. Okay, this first one is not free, so if you don't want to give Weebly any money, choose something else. And I'm going to pick, I like this one. Okay, to edit this, I'm going to click on it, edit background. If I want to change the image, I can. If I want the scrolling effect of the image, I really like parallax. I think it's cool because it scrolls but the picture doesn't move, and I think that's awesome. But you get the idea. You can replace the picture, edit the picture. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to talk about in this video is adding text to this home page. Really, really easy. So, okay, I just clicked in this section and this menu popped up. I can add a layout to it if I want to, but I'm not going to. I can also put a background in here if I want to, and I think I can have the same scrolling effect as up here. But instead, what I'm going to do is sort of manually drag things in here. So I want some text, so I hold and drag. And I want a title. I can have a title above it. I want my title next to it actually, because I have a specific layout going on in my head. Section 1. So maybe I want like a couple sections here. Cool, information. And then I want another section under it. Section 2. Very exciting. And then some text. Now I want this text next to it. So this blue line here, I don't want my text under it, and there's a blue line under the entire section too. I want it next to it, so I'm having it over here. And it'll show up here. More cool info. Okay, so I've got lots of cool information here. I want a picture under here. Just under my section 1. So my blue bar isn't going all the way across. So now my image is going to be under my section 1. That's not exactly how I wanted that. There we go. Alright, and if I click on this, I can add a picture. It's pretty straightforward. And that is that for this video. If you have any questions, please contact me. If you're my student, you know how to do that. And I'll see you around.